All right, I'm gonna do this tote. I can't remember if I've done one of these before or not, but we're gonna try. And I'm gonna bring you guys along for the ride. This is 100% polyester tote. We're gonna do both sides, so we might as well get any lint off of both sides. We're gonna use this pressing pillow that I have below here. We're gonna stuff this inside here. And I've been doing a couple shirts earlier, so I'm gonna run the same temp and time what I had for those shirts, which was 390 degrees for 35 seconds. Let me see the best way I can get this tote and kind of line it up. So I got two versions of this image. One with white feet and white hands, and then the other ones I put gray in it. It doesn't really matter, but I just wanted to see which one looked better. Again, you want to tear these edges off in case you have any ink that gets caught up on the edge of the paper. That happens sometimes. I learned that the hard way. I don't do this as often as I should, but since I'm making a video, I figured I better do it to try to help people out that get those lines and don't understand where they come from. Like so. Now I got this camera right here in my face, so it's going to be kind of hard to center this up. Let me pre-press this first. $390, 35 seconds. I've already kind of set the pressure with the pressing pillow in there. I have a smaller platen, but I don't feel like digging it out, since this is just kind of like a test. Need to get this pillow down a little bit more. Yeah, about there. What do you guys think? Does that look pretty straight? Yeah? Okay, cool. That's what I'm gonna go with. So hopefully, you know what? I think we're gonna go up to 45 on this. Wish me luck. Here we go. We'll come back as soon as this is done pressing. Okay, we're back. 2 seconds left, and here we go. Like I said, I believe this is the first time that I've done this, so we're gonna watch together. Hey, it looks pretty good. Now that side was the one with the white feet. As you can see, it basically doesn't print white. So now we're just gonna flip this guy over. Put this piece of paper under it. Hit it one more time, because you never know. This is the one with the gray feet. I'm just gonna tear the top and bottom off. The sides are basically cut already because it was a longer sheet. So I don't want to waste too much of your time. Does that look straight? Straight enough? I think that's pretty good. Can we get the pillow in there a little bit more? That's good. All right, let me get a sheet of paper. And let's go. 390, 45 seconds. Okay, a few more seconds here and we'll see what this one looks like. This one has the gray feet. Kind of hot. No, that's all right. I think I like the ones with the white feet and the white hands better. It's not bad though. Still looks pretty good. All right, guys, that's all I got. I just wanted to bring you along on this test. We're going to be selling these totes for Halloween this year with the Trick or Treat Smell My Feet. Kind of a grunge look, distressed. Looks pretty good. All right, catch you on the next one. See ya.